Hello little champs, are you ready to unlock a cool secret about chess? Today we are diving into the world of chess notation. It's like learning a magical map for your chessboard. Let's get started. Did you know people have been playing chess for hundreds of years? So what is chess notation? Chess notation is a special way of writing down the moves. Think of it like a storybook of your chess game or a map that helps everyone understand your moves. Here's something super cool. Every country uses the same system to name the chessboard squares. That means whether you are in Australia or Antarctica, chess fans speak the same square language. So this is universal language of chess. Refer material for all chess notation. So how it works? Each square on the chessboard has its own address, letter, number. For example, white rook starts on A1 and white rook starts on H1. Black rook starts on A8. Another rook starts on H8. The letter A to H go across like the row houses, and the number 1 to 8 go like a street. So these are all houses and these are all streets. So white pieces starts on bottom row. Let's call its home base A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1, G1, H1. Can you find the square on your board? Similar, black pieces starts on the top of the board on row 8. So this is row 8. It's like their home base too. Check it out. So A8. So this square name is A8, B8, C8, D8, E8, F8, G8, H8. Now try finding both row on your chessboard. Think of each square address is as a mailbox. Each time piece moves, it leaves a letter in the square it lands on. Pretty neat, right? Think of each square as a mailbox. Every time piece moves, it leaves a letter in the square it lands. Pretty neat, right? So this pawn starting position is D2, and when it moves 2 square, then it land on D4. So this square name is D4. Pawn is moving from D2 to D4. That's it for today's adventure into chess notation, little champs. Start practicing your square address and see how fast you can name them. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy learning.